What's up, guys? So we're here at Lodi Lake right now, just chilling with the cousins, So,
What's that? Hey, man!
Hey, what's up, guys? What y'all doing?
Hey, RJ. Hello. No, you met some video?
Yeah. Right now, I'm currently oaring with one hand like a beast. Hey, hey, get out of here! Ugh. Come on, guys. I'm not taking a picture. It's a video. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, she called you a nigga. For sure. Man, look at that. I'm doing it with one hand because I'm a beast. Oh, I just wet myself. What is that? Oh, you guys are going crooked. We're supposed to go over there. Over there. Look, we're not even doing anything and we're still winning. Losers! Yeah, right. There you see some other kayakers over there, Kind of small. See this beautiful girl right here, Oh no, they're catching up. No, it's not. I can see the floor. Whoa! Die! Get out of here. Oh, hell no. Get out of here. Get out of there. You don't want none of this. You don't want none of this. Alright. What's up, guys? Still in last? What's up?
We're the red team and RJ and
We're on the same team then. So how was your day?
tiring.
It's fun. I'm gonna turn this video out because we're gonna go catch up to them and beat them. All right, peace out.